Hello, this is drum filter 10 km for 1 hour. Customer from US Pierre Bodson. Yeah, filter ready. You can see everything ready. Yeah, now I check all system before putting box and send to customer. Yeah, okay. First, open control box. When you just open control box, open timer. Timer now work 15 seconds he work and 30 minutes he stop. When open timer, work motor reductor and pump. Yeah, okay, and can open switch controller like this. Yeah, control switch here. This minimum. This is bigger. Yeah, he stopped. Okay. Open again. Yeah, when timer or switch float open, motor reductor and pump. Pump this. Or solenoid, this. Be careful, 110 volt, 1, 2, 3, this pump. Yeah, okay. Stainless steel install, stainless steel nozzles, UV light. Yeah, 2 pipe go inside, 2 pipe go outside. Yeah, 1 pipe for can use for take water for pump. 1 pipe this for drain for dirty. Yeah, okay. Так, manual open. Turn left only motor reductor. Turn right motor reductor with pump. They work together. Okay, так, now check float again. Yeah, all when another clean mesh, everything dirty, come to this place inside and go here. Yeah, and one more important, you need automatical stay every time by middle. Yeah, like this. This work and timer and float switch. Yeah. How control timer I show for you another video. Yes, it's too easy. Yeah. Okay, everything ready. How open and close, like this have button, close UV and open. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, everything ready. Okay, thank you. If you have a question, write for me. I help.